Hello everybody, hope you all are keeping fine. Before we start the new module, let's have the recap of previous module. In the previous class, we learnt about what is food. Any substance we take to live on earth is known as food. Secondly, we talked about variety in food, that is different types of food. And thirdly, we talked about ingredient. Ingredient is nothing but the raw materials used to prepare a dish. So today we are going to learn a new topic, that is sources of food. So in this module we will deal about plant products, plant parts as food, and animal products. So whatever food we take, mostly we get from two sources. One is your plant source, another one is your animal source. So let's talk about rice, right? So rice we get from what? From paddy. So paddy is what? Paddy is a plant. Okay, let's talk about chapati. Chapati is made up of flour, and this we get from wheat plant. So this is also a plant product. Children, can you tell me from where do we get sugar? Yes, we get sugar from sugarcane plant. Therefore, sugar also is a plant product. So now we will see the animal products. So egg, meat, milk, curd, butter and honey. These are the animal products. Okay. So curd and butter we get from milk, and milk we get from cow. So this is also a animal product. Now we will see parts of plant used as food. So different parts of plants are edible, okay, such as root, stem, leaves, flower, fruits and seeds. Let's talk about root. So some of the plants, they store food in their roots, and these roots can be taken as food. For example, beetroot and radish. And some of the stems also get modified, okay, and this can be also taken as food. For example, potato and onion. And some of the leaves of plant can be taken as food. For example, cabbage, spinach and flower. So some of the flowers also can be prepare a dish, and that can be taken as food, that is banana flower, pumpkin flower, sunflower and so on. Children, do you like to have fruits? Yes, we all love to have fruits. So mango, apple, banana, these are the fruits that we like to have. And next one is your seed. So seeds also can be taken as food. For example, rice, pulses and grams. So let me show you some pictures that can be taken as food. So this is what? Maize, okay, and this is seed that can be taken as food. This is what? Wheat, okay, and this is also seed. And this you know it, that is mango, okay, apple. Yeah, these are the foods that can be taken. Can you guess what is this? Yes, this is pumpkin flower that can be taken as food, and this banana flower and sunflower. Can you tell me, children, what is this? This is spinach, and this is part of a plant, that is leaves, okay, and this can be taken as food. This is lettuce and cabbage. Can you tell me, children, what is this? Yes, this is garlic. So which part of this plant? Whether root or stem? Yeah, this is stem. It is a modified stem, and this can be taken as food. This is potato and this is onion. These are the stems, but it can be taken as food. Then this is your sweet potato and beetroot and carrot. These are the roots that can be taken as food. So now we'll talk about the animal products. Okay. So what is animal products? The food products obtained from animal is called animal products. For example, eggs, mutton and fish. So eggs mostly we get from hen, and mutton we get from goat or sheep, and fish we know it. Okay. And another animal product, that is honey. We all of us like to have honey in our breads. Yes. So this honey we get from bees. So how do this bee make honey? Okay. So these bees collect nectar from flowers or plants and convert it into honey. So what do you mean by nectar? Nectar is nothing but a sugary liquid that is collected by bees from flower to flower of different plants. Okay. And this bee will convert this nectar into honey, and that will be stored in hives, and this honey hives containing with honey are known as honeycomb. So in this module we learnt about the sources of food. So there are mainly two sources, that is your animal source and plant source. Okay.